Wind tunnel is a tunnel-like apparatus for producing an airstream of known velocity past models of aircraft, buildings, or other solid objects in order to investigate flow or the effect of wind on the full-size object. For my wind tunnel, I chose the open-type wind tunnel. I diligently prepared materials that could easily be crafted and materials that could easily be accessed and seen in my house. After I carefully planned my output, I presented my initial plan through a report on how I could build my wind tunnel, with the thought of achieving my main goal. While creating my wind tunnel, I realized that it's very different from just planning it and writing it down on paper. I had difficulties and big adjustments to be able to efficiently save time and effectively achieve my goal. Then there, my wind tunnel has been made. I used my electric fan as a material that would produce strong winds, which would help in interacting with my airfoil. To my initial plan, I have placed straws just before it reaches the airfoil, to get the air moving through my wind tunnel in a laminar and smooth airflow. And my supposed humidifier for my smoke to see the placid and turbulence-free airflow through my airfoil. But due to the situation, the humidifier that I've ordered didn't arrive. And I suppose that my straws would be a very great disadvantage, as my fan could only produce a very limited amount of air to my wind tunnel. I used hard paper for my airfoil and tried my best to give it a smooth surface and painted it white, as well as the interior of my wind tunnel and sticks black to give an emphasis on my airfoil. I also tried my very best to make my lights as flat as possible, so that the air inside won't be constricted and wouldn't be that turbulent. We can see that my airfoil continues to lift. The narrowed and congested-like space in the wind tunnel helped the air that is produced from the fan to flow from the entrance to the exit. With a little angle on my airfoil, it lifts.